We are the future.
All of the man them.
We are the future.
All of the girls them.
We are the future.
All of the youths them. All of the youths them. All of the youths them. Lot of mercy. Come see the man them the shouts.
We are the future.
Lot of mercy. Come see the girls them the shouts.
We are the future.
Welcome, Mr. Sharif.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Welcome to you in studio.
That's what I'm talking about.
Alright. So right now you just come off Freetown this morning, and today is the 22nd of March 2011. So you just touched down and you can in Belgium, yeah, you know. So definitely you just come out salon. You don't come out for 3 months since you left.
3 months.
Okay, that's a very long time.
For salon, a very long time.
Very long time.
It looked like 3 years.
You go there for mission, different kind of missions. You can able to tell like people there watching some of the missions and we go for a salon.
Yeah, like one of the reasons that we will be not discussed. See, right now, you know, we see how the country move forward. So we day one, then side there, you know, them country need we, but we country need we more than the Western world. So now one of the things that they want me to put together, so let me go before I go see. But the things that we see, like they need we follow go down, but where we go, the things that we don't put now in place, you know, for organize youth them across the country for me them participate by the nation building. So we will mostly operate between Makeni, Kamabai and Freetown. So far we don't go far. There are other things that we don't put in place. We, like as time goes on, we will reveal out to people that well, right now everything they're at that initial stage.
Okay. So okay, you go there for different missions, and one when slide up where everyone know you for as you as a president doing the leading role for slide up. You can tell people you know the definition of slide up and the purpose of the organization.
Well, the definition of slide up means Sierra Leone Youth for Democratic Practices. As you see, the world is democratized today, and any side violence in a youth mandate can be 95% of the people who participate, as we can see them across the Middle East today. So we try for find with how we the youth them will communicate to ourselves without this violence. You know, we see any small thing of freedom past riot. You know, so we try for sensitize the youth for no walk away from violence, no for more other way, different means then what people communicate to themselves, we will walk away from this violence. So that's what all slide that we focus on. And the most important thing again is for empower youths and for empower women, you know. And as you see, salon now get 70-30%, but with slide up we try for push more for let low people empower more women and make them take a leading roles in communities. So I think they would work on that right now.
Okay. And a couple of months ago, as you don't begin this long campaign for go do some changes there inside Sierra Leone, will not be get chance for interview. You be able and put up certain things in place, but if you don't first go back na salon last year, whereas you go do some very good job in the your hometown when I come about. According to watching we see the videos them and the news that you go empower the youth them in a divided town, bring them together for able for develop and clean the town. You know, what motivates you for carry that kind of idea to the people that come around town?
Well, one of the reasons when I enter the town, I not look happy because the kind way was the amount of youth man they was see, the kind way with the town being dirty, you know, called for. So I straight up I send message to the youth man, the leaders I want to see in come as you don't talk with Inga for tell me why the town so divided. Now so you know all this now. He said this not crap. We will settle this now. So come on to this. I said so the two sides then don't fall apart. I send call both sides and talk to them now. So now someone for meeting. So the God make all some money for meeting. But when I participate greatly because I really see I don't come. You know, so from who will be the we able talk to you tomorrow. So they come, we hold this meeting. You know, we forget about the blame game for blame this person, that person. I tell them that the time is for let with the youth then show the big one and say, okay, we do things. Although not the meet up, but we will do things then for carry on. And I did the whole idea come out, so I'm not glad you do I see it all. Let we start for work together, let people then see the way we work. And so far now so don't they everything just they go smoothly now inside the town.
Okay. People only say that you get a very special way of keeping in touch with the youth. Then, basically, where you go, you not just go as a commander. You also provide some other services. Then, where they able to encourage the youth man them for participating in that kind of things. And one of them is like you provide from necessary things. Them like food, drinks, and all that kind of thing. The youth man then be really appreciate that you not just go and say now for clean, but after somebody work, you get for need for eat, so therefore you provide food for them. So yeah, that's not out of your own money or now other ways them you able to come up.
No, out of your own personal money. We don't put aside. See, we'll try to look for a project we will sponsor. But all so far between both the boat bags production and slide up, all what we do it independently. We don't ever get sponsor, we don't ever get person. So anything we do it independently. You know, I don't get 2-3 people that would really interested for continue for sitting with help with anything we need something for go on. But at the same time, since we're at the initial stage, we want for make sure so let everything be transparent. As we independent, if anybody they come for can help we for love continue to project, the one let be transparent with the person could know say the money in what the effort. So now the things that I do what you go on right now.
Okay, so as we know, there are a lot of progress that is going on in the part of Slide Dep. Now, the other mission where you go with now for try to establish bags production, for try to get like a permanent office inside Sierra Leone. So, waiting now, who's some of the spot there where you don't locate right now for bags production?
Well, according to the market, why we don't research, where we don't look. You know, for we, you know, Ukibu stable at two sides. Ukibu Makeni, Ukibu and Freetown. Because Makeni now one of the fastest growing towns in now Saloon. And you're already 1.5 hours from Freetown. You know, with no traffic, you can do less than that. So now we choose Makeni and Freetown because, like I said, Makeni they grow. Things that they change so fast. And what make we decide for Makeni? Because people when they want to make video, when they come out corner, we don't make a short for them. People when they come out Kabbalah, we don't make everything just shorter for them, cheaper. Do I know when they make broker, Gumuna, Kamakwe, because we didn't at the center, so we give services to people for reduce the cost of, you know, the cost we get for spend for transportation, for production. So now it make them kind inside and the type of things about the cargo, and I think we don't put so in place. We go stay with Makeni, we go stay with Freetown. We go with the next idea.
Okay. Well, you don't go recently. You don't go see development. You don't go see most of the youth them. So basically, you get like more knowledge of what thing you feel say right now it go wrong with the youth them inside Sierra Leone or mainly in Freetown where if you say you need there's supposed to be a change.
Well, right now with the youth one of the biggest problem we get you know, and some of the youth then just I make that ultimate sacrifice. Say, maybe if I not get work in a Freetown, plan move go some side, I try for go look for a job. But there's a lot of opportunities where the government don't come with because the government don't have youth commission now. So this one whole ministry, this ministerial, they know they deal with nothing but about youth. They have for creating job for youth. They have to have programs there that the city, especially Freetown, because youth are popular. Then the other one back was youth man they know to go school. Youth man they don't really go back in education. But if you go to universities, campuses, then you see more women are enrolled in education.
Which is very positive.
Yes, very positive. So in the next 30 years, just people are for the surprise if you see too many women in the control position in the country, because when you go in population